more, but I've hired more people to help me do things because I'm using AI more.
I think I did a deep dive into it yesterday. 65 million jobs will be lost.
Embrace it. Let me explain that. I'm using AI myself, more AI than I ever thought. AI does the search for me. When you hire a consultant or a coach or a mentor or a marketing guy, you're hiring experience. I can get that from AI. AI has helped me spend more money, invest more money, and as a result, I can build more things. And the people that I hire to build will use AI, pull out the plans
faster. They'll be able to do much faster.
So I am one person probably against the whole world, where I say the opposite of AI.
No, I totally agree with you.
Embrace it because it's going to give you more business, folks.
Yes.